Hi everyone, and welcome. I'm so excited you're here today. In this video, we're going to dive into the beautiful world of Spanish by learning the top 50 most useful conversational phrases. This guide is specially designed for adult learners like you and me who want to build confidence in speaking. We'll go through each phrase one by one, and I really want you to join in with me. The best way to learn a language is to speak it, so don't be shy. After I say each phrase, I'll pause so you can repeat after me. Sometimes getting the pronunciation just right takes a little practice, so if we need to, we'll say, "Let's try that again," and do it together. To make this feel super real and practical, imagine yourself in different situations. Picture ordering coffee at a busy cafe in Madrid, asking for directions on a sunny street in Mexico City, or simply making a new friend while traveling through Costa Rica. We're not just learning words. We're preparing for real conversations and connections. These phrases are your key to unlocking those amazing experiences. Learning a new language can feel a little scary at first, but I promise we'll make it fun and easy. We're in this together, so let's get our learning hats on. Are you ready to begin this adventure? Grab a notebook if you'd like, get comfortable, and let's start speaking Spanish. We'll take it step by step, focusing on clear pronunciation and understanding when to use each phrase. The goal is for you to leave this video feeling more prepared and excited to use your new skills. So let's jump right in with our very first and one of the most important phrases. Here we go. This means, hello, how are you? It's a friendly, common greeting. Let's try that again. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Your turn to say it. This is how you say good morning, perfect for starting your day. Let's try that again. Buenos días. Now you try. Use this phrase to say good afternoon. It's typically used after midday. Let's try that again. Buenas tardes. Go ahead, say it. Chapter 4. This means good evening or good night. You can use it as a greeting or when leaving. Let's try that again. Buenas noches. Your turn. Chapter 5. This is how you ask, what is your name? It's essential for introductions. Let's try that again. ¿Cómo te llamas? Now you ask. Chapter 6. To answer the last question, you say, my name is, followed by your name. Let's try that again. Me llamo. Great job. This means nice to meet you. It's a polite and warm response after an introduction. Let's try that again. Mucho gusto. Your turn. Use this phrase to ask, where are you from? It's a great way to continue a conversation. Let's try that again. ¿De dónde eres? To answer, you say, I am from, and add your country or city. Let's try that again. Soy de. Fantastic. This is a very helpful question. Do you speak English? Let's try that again. ¿Hablas inglés? Perfect for when you need a little help. If you don't understand something, you can say, I don't understand. Let's try that again. No entiendo. It's okay to say this. This means, can you repeat please? It's very useful when someone speaks too fast. Let's try that again. ¿Puedes repetir, por favor? This is another great phrase. More slowly, please. It helps a lot. Let's try that again. Más despacio. Por favor. You've got this. This simply means please. It's a magic word in any language. Let's try that again. Por favor. Don't forget to use it. This is how you say thank you. Politeness goes a long way. Let's try that again. Gracias. Wonderful. When someone says gracias, you can reply with, you're welcome. Let's try that again. De nada. It's the perfect friendly response. This means pardon me or excuse me, used for getting someone's attention or apologizing. Let's try that again. Perdón. This also means excuse me and is often used to apologize for bumping into someone. Let's try that again. Disculpe. Very polite. When you're shopping, you can ask, how much does it cost? Let's try that again. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Super useful for markets. An absolutely essential phrase. Where is the bathroom? You'll be glad you know this one. Let's try that again. ¿Dónde está el baño? If you need to know the time, you can ask, what time is it? Let's try that again. ¿Qué hora es? This is a direct way to ask, can you help me? It's great in any situation. Let's try that again. ¿Puedes ayudarme? If you've lost your way, you can say, I am lost. Use perdido for masculine, perdida for feminine. Let's try that again. Estoy perdido a. To ask for a specific location, use where is and add the place. Let's try that again. ¿Dónde está? Like, ¿dónde está la estación? When you hear a new word, you can ask, what does mean? Let's try that again. Que significa? A great learning tool. To ask for a translation, you say, how do you say in Spanish? Let's try that again. ¿Cómo se dice en español? If you can't catch a word, ask, can you write it down? Let's try that again. ¿Puedes escribirlo? This helps so much. This is a very casual way to say what's up or how's it going. Let's try that again. ¿Qué tal? So friendly. A simple and positive response to how are you is fine, thank you. Let's try that again. Bien, gracias. Perfect. If you're not having a good day, you can honestly say bad. Let's try that again, Mal. Hopefully you won't need it often. Okay, so this is a common way to say so-so when you're feeling just okay. Let's try that again. Así, así. It's a fun one. This means, do you have... You can use it to ask for items at a shop or restaurant. Let's try that again. ¿Tienes? A polite way to say I would like when ordering or making a request. Let's try that again. Me gustaría. Very courteous. So let's talk about puedo. This means can I or may I. It's really great for asking for permission. Let's try that again together. Puedo. For example, you might say, ¿Puedo pasar? Now, here's another super useful phrase. ¿Dónde puedo encontrar? This means, where can I find? It's perfect for shopping in a large store or when you're looking for something specific. Let's try that again. ¿Dónde puedo encontrar? When you want a suggestion, especially at a restaurant, you can ask, ¿Qué recomiendas? Which means, what do you recommend? Let's try that again. ¿Qué recomiendas? Let people know I am learning Spanish. They will be very encouraging. Let's try that again. Estoy aprendiendo español. Be proud of it. This is a more polite way to say, can you speak more slowly? Let's try that again. ¿Puedes hablar más despacio? A casual, friendly way to ask, what's happening or what's wrong? Let's try that again. ¿Qué pasa? You'll hear this a lot. The simple answer to ¿Qué pasa? If nothing is wrong, is nothing. Let's try that again. Nada. Easy and useful. This means what are you doing? It's a common question among friends. Let's try that again. ¿Qué haces? Great for starting a chat. A straightforward answer to ¿Qué haces? Is I am working. Let's try that again. Estoy trabajando. It's a very common response. A much more fun answer is I am on vacation. Let's try that again. Estoy de vacaciones. Hopefully you get to use this one. To ask someone, do you like? Just add a noun at the end. Let's try that again. ¿Te gusta? For example, ¿Te gusta la música? The positive response is, I like it. Simple and to the point. Let's try that again. Me gusta. Awesome. And if you don't like it, you can say, I don't like it. Let's try that again. No me gusta. Honesty is key. To ask about family, you can say, do you have siblings? Let's try that again. ¿Tienes hermanos? This is great for getting to know someone. So you can answer with, I have siblings, and just fill in the number that fits for you. Let's try that again. Tengo hermanos. For example, tengo dos hermanos. This is how you ask, where do you live? It's a pretty common personal question. Let's try that again. ¿Dónde vives? You're doing so well. And the final phrase for today is I live in, followed by your city or country. Let's try that again. Vivo in. And there you have it. You made it through all 50 phrases. That is so amazing. And you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Thank you so much for joining me and for putting in the effort to repeat each phrase. Speaking is honestly the hardest part of learning a new language, and you took a huge step forward today. I had so much fun being your guide on this little adventure, and I hope you feel more confident and excited to start having real conversations in Spanish. This is just the beginning of a wonderful journey for you. The key now is to keep the momentum going. Try to incorporate a few of these phrases into your daily life. You could label things around your house, practice with a friend, or even just say them out loud to yourself. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. Don't worry about being perfect right away. Every time you try, you are building those language muscles and getting one step closer to fluency. It's all about making small, consistent efforts every single day. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning with me, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next lesson. We have so many more things to explore together. Your support means the world and helps me create more content just for you. Thank you again for watching. Remember, Practice makes perfect. Hasta